Tired of complicated recipes? Craving something delicious, but only have 15 minutes? I've got you. Today, we're making the ultimate cheat meal, crispy egg dumplings. This is a total game changer for your frozen dumplings. First, grab a pan, add some oil, and arrange your frozen dumplings. No need to thaw. Fry them on medium heat until the bottoms are beautifully golden and crispy. Next, pour in just enough water to cover the bottom of the pan, pop on a lid, and let them steam. While that's happening, quickly beat 1 or 2 eggs and snip some green onions with scissors. So much easier, right? Once most of the water has evaporated, turn the heat to low. Pour that egg mixture all around the dumplings. Give the pan a little shake to get it even. Sprinkle on your green onions. Cover for 1 more minute until the egg is perfectly set and you are done. Slide it onto a plate and admire the crispy, eggy masterpiece. For dipping, I love vinegar, chili oil, and soy sauce. What's your go-to combo? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy recipes.